నా పేరు అమిత్ కుమార్, ఆకాష్ తెలంగాణ స్టేట్ హెడ్ని మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. ఈరోజు మధ్యాహ్నం మనకి నీట్ 2025 రిజల్ట్స్ వెలువడ్డాయి. ఈ నీట్ 2025 రిజల్ట్స్లో మనం మాట్లాడుకుంటే గత 36 సంవత్సరాలుగా ఆకాష్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ ఎంతో గొప్పమైన అద్భుతమైన ఫలితాలను సాధిస్తూ వస్తుంది. ఈ ఇయర్ మాట్లాడుకుంటే ఆల్ ఇండియా ర్యాంక్ 2, ఆల్ ఇండియా ర్యాంక్ 3, 5, 9, 10 టాప్ 10లో 5 స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆర్ ఫ్రమ్ ఆకాష్. అంటే 50% రిజల్ట్ టాప్ 10లో ఆకాష్లోనే ఉంది. అలాగే టాప్ 100లో మాట్లాడుకుంటే 29 మంది యాజ్ ఆఫ్ నో క్లాస్ రూమ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ నుంచి రిజల్ట్స్ని కైవసం చేసుకున్నారు. అట్లానే మనం తెలంగాణ రిజల్ట్స్ గురించి మాట్లాడుకున్నా ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ ఆన్ ఇయర్ మనం చూసుకుంటే బిలో 1000 కానీ బిలో 5000 కానీ 50% 50% పైగా రిజల్ట్స్ ఇంప్రూవ్ అవుతూ వస్తున్నాయి. దీని అన్నిటికీ కారణమైన పేరెంట్స్ అండ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ యొక్క ట్రస్ట్కి మా ధన్యవాదాలు. అట్లాగే మా ఫ్యాకల్టీ కూడా, ఎక్స్పర్ట్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ, సీనియర్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ ఎంతో కష్టపడి ఈ విద్యార్థుల్ని ఇటువంటి రిజల్ట్స్ సంపాదించేటట్టు తయారు చేస్తున్నారు. సో దాంతో ఈ ఇయర్ ఇంకొక అద్భుతమైన థింగ్ ఏంటంటే, ఎవరైతే లాంగ్ టర్మ్ జాయిన్ అవుదాం అనుకుంటున్నారో పిల్లలు, వాళ్ళకి కాన్సెప్ట్ కుండలి అనే ఒక ఏఐ ఎనేబుల్డ్ టూల్ని ఆకాష్ టెక్ టీమ్ కంప్లీట్గా దీన్ని కనుగొంది. ఈ ఏఐ ఎనేబుల్ టూల్ ద్వారా ప్రతి సబ్జెక్టులో, ప్రతి చాప్టర్లో సబ్ టాపిక్ వైజ్ ఎంత వీక్ ఉన్నారు, ఎంత స్ట్రెంత్ ఉన్నారు అనేది వాళ్ళ యొక్క పెర్ఫార్మెన్స్ బట్టి తెలుసుకోవచ్చు. సో లాంగ్ టర్మ్ అడ్మిషన్స్ కూడా స్టార్ట్ అయ్యాయి. సో మా రిక్వెస్ట్ ఏంటంటే, పేరెంట్స్ అండ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ మీ దగ్గరలో ఉన్న బ్రాంచ్ని సంప్రదించి ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ కుండలి గురించి, లాంగ్ టర్మ్ కరికులం ఎట్లా ఉంటుంది తెలుసుకోవాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాము. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Our hardworking NEET students 2025. Today, we celebrate their dedication and achievements. Students, your hard work and determination have set a remarkable example for all of us. Students, we wish you all the very best for your future as you move forward. Always remember to continue striving excellence and never give up on your dreams. Today, with us, we have Chief Guest Amit Sir, State Head of Akash, Bharat Sir, RSGH, Srikant Sir, Head Strategic Alliances.
Good evening parents, students and my dear colleagues. Myself Amit Kumar, working as Akash Telangana State Head. So I warmly welcome all of you to celebrate this grand success of NEET 2025 results. Like every year, this year also our students have exceptionally performed well in our NEET 2025 exam. Across Pan India, if we have to talk about the results, our student has secured All India rank, second rank. Utkarsh student has secured All India rank, second rank with 682 marks. Apart from this second rank, we have third rank, fifth rank, ninth rank and 10th rank. So once again, Akash has shown its power in NEET with 50% of top 10 ranks coming from our classroom program. Not only that, if I talk about apart from this 2, 3, 5, 9, 10, we also have AR 11, 12, 16, 20, 23, 25, 29, 28, 35, 36, 39, 44, 49, 53, 65, 69, 74, 77, 82, 83, 85, 89, 90 and 100. Across India, if we see, as of now still we are compiling the results. Just afternoon results have come up. 29 students out of top 100 belong to Akash classroom program. And this number will sure go up, and every year we have almost 40% or sometimes even close to 50% share in top 100, whereas in top 10 we have 50% this year. So this entire credit definitely goes to the students and the parents who believed in Akash. From past 36 years, we have been performing so well in NEET exam, and from past 15 years, we are also into this JEE exam, JEE advanced exam, wherein our students are exceptionally performing well in both NEET and JEE. So once again, I thank all the parents and students for trusting us. Coming to Telangana, if I talk about Year on year, we have been improving in our results, and this year, I am very happy to share that our results have improved by 50% compared to last year. Whether you talk about in below 1000 category or below 5000 category or in all different categories. And across Telangana we have completed, and we are very happy to announce that we have completed almost 50 years in Telangana with around 12 branches in Hyderabad itself and 3 branches upcoming tier 2 cities. So total we have 15 branches, and this entire year on year, when we started this journey, we started with mere 1-2 centers, but in the last 15 years we have grown, and this entire again credit goes to their parents, students, and of course our teachers who have been relentlessly working in getting this result. So I thank you all for coming here and gracing this occasion. So before going to the felicitation of our toppers, I would request our regional sales and growth head Bharat sir to speak a few words and talk about our new initiatives, especially in our long-term programs. So thank you all.
First of all, good evening to everybody. Today is a great day. I think we have got a excellent result as usual. For last 38 years, we've been doing extremely well. And last 15 years, especially in Telangana and Hyderabad, continuously we are cracking the best results. So thanks to the faculty, their commitment, thanks to the students, their dedication, and thanks to the parent for the support. So as I think most of it Amit sir has briefed completely in detail, I just would like to add that this year paper was tough, that is that we have seen. So keeping that in mind, we have introduced a new concept called as Concept Kundli for the students who want to repeat next year. The idea is basically this is an AI enabled tool which will actually tell a student where exactly which topic is missing or which particular subject is not doing very well, where is the scope of improvement on a regular basis. Once he writes 3 tests, then the AI tool does an analysis and says that look, you have improved in this particular topic, and this topic is still, there is a gray area for you, you need to work on it. So we are actually trying to build so many things apart from your regular testing ecosystem which we have, teaching methodologies, whatever we have been doing for ages, we'll continue to do, but we are also try to be technology enabled through the AI tools, so which will enable students, even if it is a tough question, how to face it, how to see what is my area which is missing. So it is like a continuously you will get an information and you act upon it, then any kind of question, especially in physics or any subject, you will be able to come out with flying colors. So we are at the back end, the technical team is working very, very strong, and we promise you that if you opt to repeat, I think you will certainly do the best. So our long-term admissions are in progress. You can drop into any of our branches and try to have a understanding about the concept which I am talking about, Concept Kundli, so that gives you more confidence that yes, I can spare another year and try to crack and become, my dream of becoming a doctor can be true. So thank you so much. All the best.
Thank you, Amit sir and Bharat sir. Please call out all students for the felicitation, and also I request them to say few words on their achievement. Parents are also invited, please. I will request to parents to please be on the stage.
Hi, thank you for congratulating me. I'm feeling very happy about this. Confident, don't get scared at if you get low marks. Just be confident that you'll improve someday and you'll do it.
What was your reaction?
Actually, during the exam, while I'm solving, I got scared. What is this? What will I do? But later, I let my mind cool down. Then I wrote the exam with a peace of mind.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం అండి. నా పేరు లత. My husband name is Hemachand. He is a physics faculty. నిఖిల్ సాయి చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి కూడా కొంచెం కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ రాయడం అలవాటు ఉన్నాయి అతనికి. తర్వాత ఆకాష్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ అంతే ఎగ్జామ్ రాయించాము. దాంట్లో తనకి ర్యాంక్ వచ్చింది, సిఓఈలో సెలెక్ట్ అయ్యాడు. తర్వాత వాళ్ళ చేతుల్లో పెట్టిన తర్వాత చాలా బాగా వాడిని మౌల్డ్ చేసుకున్నారు వాళ్ళు. చాలా ట్రాన్స్పరెంట్గా ఉంటాయి ఆకాష్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ పేపర్స్ కానీ రిజల్ట్స్ కానీ. ఆకాష్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్కి ఎన్ని థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పుకున్నా, ఎంత థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పుకున్నా తక్కువే. చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ అండి. మాగంటి సార్ చాలా మమ్మల్ని సపోర్ట్ చేశారు, మధుసూదన్ సార్ చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ అండి. ఆకాష్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ రిజల్ట్స్ మాత్రం చాలా ట్రాన్స్పరెంట్గా ఉంటాయండి. వేరే అదర్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్స్ రిజల్ట్స్ నాకు కొంచెం కన్ఫ్యూజన్గా అనిపించాయి, కానీ ఆకాష్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ రిజల్ట్స్ మాత్రం చాలా ట్రాన్స్పరెంట్గా ఉంటాయి. అది అందరూ పేరెంట్స్ గమనించాలి. గమనించి మీ చిల్డ్రన్స్ని జాయిన్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఎవరి కరెక్ట్ ఎవరి కాదు అని ఒకసారి మీరు చూసుకొని జాయిన్ చేయండి. ఎవరైనా రిజల్ట్స్ ట్రాన్స్పరెంట్గా ఉంటేనే మన పిల్లలు మళ్ళీ మంచి రిజల్ట్స్ తీసుకురాగలుగుతారని అనుకుంటున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి.
Hello everyone. I would like to thank the teachers for this wonderful felicitation, and I would like to thank my parents, my teachers, faculty, everyone at Akash who always were there, who supported me during this 2 years of journey. Whenever I felt low or did not score good, they were always there to motivate me. They guided me on the right track, and because of them today I'm being able to achieve all of this. So thank you everyone.
नमस्कार. मैं तो ऐसे बिजनेसमैन हूँ, स्टडीज़ वगैरह ज़्यादा किया नहीं, ग्रेजुएट किया हुआ हूँ, पर बच्चे ने कहा कि नहीं मुझे डॉक्टर बनना है, और उसका क्रेडिट उसकी मदर को जाता है साथ में. थैंक यू आकाश टीचर, स्पेशली मार्गंडी सर, उन्होंने काफ़ी हेल्प. थैंक यू.
Good evening everyone, and I thank my parents, teachers and especially Akash for giving me this moment. I tell the other aspirants to stay hard, put consistent efforts and they'll achieve success. Thank you.
Good evening everybody. Our Akash journey is very long. We are here from since 7 years. My elder son is also from Akash. He did his BTech from IIT Bombay, and the younger son also did he joined him for NEET. So for engineering, IIT, JEE or NEET, Akash is good, sir. Coaching, the exam patterns and coaching material is very fine. I came to know from Delhi that the exam papers, there is a big team to prepare the exam papers. So they are not copying from anywhere, though they are prepared as per the original exam standards. So I suggest Akash for the joining for any competitive exams and foundation too. Thank you for this opportunity, and thank you to Maganti sir and Amit sir and Madhusudan sir. They guided us in every movement, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
I am Rishank from Sigoda. This is a wonderful moment for me. Akash has helped me in every way possible. So trust Akash, give your best and you will done. Thank you.
నమస్కారం అండి. నాకు ఇద్దరు సన్స్ అండి. పెద్దవాడు కూడా మెడిసిన్ చేస్తున్నాడు. ఇక్కడ ఆకాష్ హిమాచల్ బ్రాంచ్లో చదివాడు. ఇప్పుడు ఈ వాజ్ ఇన్ 4th year నౌ, అండ్ సెకండ్ వన్ ఆల్సో గట్ గుడ్ ర్యాంక్. సో నా ఇద్దరి సన్స్ని డాక్టర్ చేసిన ఆకాష్కి ధన్యవాదాలు.
I would thank Akash, my teachers and my parents for this opportunity. And all I would say is believe in yourself and work hard and you will achieve success.
I would like to say thanks to Akash. So Akash helped us to achieve achieve this goal from last 4 years. And I would like to say thanks to Magati sir, Baya sir and other faculty to help us for achieving this goal. Thank you so much.
Akash in class 10. Since then, Akash has been guiding me in my NEET preparation. I would like to first of all thank my parents and then Akash and my family. Without them, this NEET result wouldn't be possible, and I would definitely recommend Akash. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. At Akash and in my house, this was not just my exam, it was everybody's exam. Everybody was involved. My teachers, my parents, even my books and modules. Everybody was involved. And I'm very grateful for all the support I got. And if there's anyone who's looking for a course for NEET, I would definitely recommend Akash, because Akash gave me the flexibility to manage school and also prepare for NEET. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you very much. Thank you, Akash.
Quick words. I would like to congratulate Akash that I guess they prepared at least Satyarth and maybe other students not just for skill, which is knowledge, time management, but I guess a lot of stress management. So I guess the paper this time tested their everything, knowledge to stress. So I think if they've done well, I think a lot of credit goes to all of you who have trained them very well. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. First, I would like to thank Akash faculty and my parents. They were always with me from start. They believed in myself. They believed in me. And the one advice I would give is time management. It's actually very important in the exam. So I hope everyone gets good marks in their next year NEET if they follow Akash. So thank you, Akash.
I feel Saket is so like a few like.
They've really helped me out throughout my whole journey. It's the one good thing about Akash is it's really easy to communicate with teachers, and the interaction is really great. The way you improve after every conversation, you tend to interact with them more. So it's been a really good 3-year journey for me with Akash. The modules are also really good. They step up the difficulty with each problem you solve, so you get to know where you really are. So then then they also do provide additional papers and higher level things to solve. And then since this year it's been the paper was a bit hard, I suggest everyone to at least try to solve advanced level questions to some level so that they don't face difficulty later, and your preparation should be in such a way that you can do everything. And 2 years time is sufficient, right? Okay, thank you. I don't
I would like to thank Akash for providing me this opportunity. They have provided many tests which help us in achieving better rank and better marks. So thank you.
Good evening, everyone. We are very happy for the achievement that Karthik has done and the kind of effort that Akash staff has put starting from, he has been studying in from foundation starting from 8th. So this has helped significantly to achieve what he has achieved today. So thanks Akash for making this happen. Thank you.
I would like to thank all of the Akash faculty involved throughout my intermediate journey for helping me and giving me an opportunity to speak to everybody here. I would also like to thank my parents for showing me support and letting me choose the field of my interest and actually providing me with the proper facilities that actually helped me come here. It is very important for every student to balance one's mental health properly, as it can affect their performance in exam by a high level. Thank you.
Good evening. First of all, I'd like to thank my Tirumagiri faculty for providing me this opportunity. The tests they have conducted and the support they have given me was really useful on the NEET day because there was so much pressure to handle, and all the tests I've given in the past, they were a bit more difficult than last year's NEET, but end of the day they helped me manage my stress in the exam and perform what I could. Thank you.
Good evening to everyone present here. I should take this chance to thank everyone who has been a part of me and this journey for the last 2 years, because I should say thanks for telling me to cool down before I burned out. Thanks for being there, because whenever I felt low, I still thought that I could look up to you, and whenever I was too sad and serious, thanks for telling me to smile, because at least that kept me going. So thanks for being there, Akash, and my faculty, and to my dearest parents. Thank you, everyone.
I would like to thank Akash for whatever my son has been able to achieve in his journey. We have been associated with Akash for the last 3 years, and seeing what Akash stands for, I have been very happy that they did not stress the students per se, and they were at free will to perform, and there was a lot of cooperation from the teaching staff. I would like to thank Maganti sir, Madhusudanan sir, then Srinivas sir, chemistry, then Vijay Kumar sir and Harsha sir, for all of them, for hand holding my son all through his journey, and it's been really wonderful. And after being happy with Akash, I joined my younger son this year in Akash for JEE preparation. So we are really very, very happy and thankful to Akash for whatever my son has achieved. Thank you one and all.
Thank you so much, sir.